Stokes theorem. Statement. Let S be a surface bounded by a closed non-intersecting curve C, and let F bar be a continuous differentiable vector point function. Then integral over C F bar dot dr bar is equal to integral over S curl F bar dot n cap ds. Here S is a surface which is bounded by a closed non-intersecting curve. That means a simple closed curve. And F bar is a continuous differentiable vector point function defined on it. Then integral over C, line integral F bar dot dr bar equal to integral over S, surface integral curl F bar dot n cap ds. This is the statement of Stokes theorem. We can verify the Stokes theorem for different continuous differentiable vector point functions, and also by applying Stokes theorem we can find line integration and surface integral. Now problems on Stokes theorem. Problem number 1. Verify Stokes theorem problems on verification for F bar equal to x square plus y square I bar minus 2xy j bar taken around the rectangle bounded by the lines x is equal to plus or minus a, y is equal to 0, y is equal to b. Now solution. Let f bar is equal to x square plus y square I bar minus 2xy j bar. R bar is equal to, in some of the textbooks, capital R bar can be used or small r be used. In the line integration we used capital R bar. So here also you can use capital R bar for the common procedure. Therefore, let R bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Therefore, here since our curve, the curve which is the boundary of the rectangle, curve C lies in the xy plane z equal to 0. Therefore, R bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar. Therefore, dr bar is equal to dxi bar plus dyj bar. Now, f bar dot dr bar is equal to x square plus y square I bar minus 2xy j bar dot dxi bar plus dy j bar. Now since I bar dot I bar 1, x square plus y square into dx minus since j bar dot j bar equal to 1, 2xy into dy. I bar dot j bar 0, j bar dot I bar 0. Therefore, this is f bar dot dr bar. Here, C is the rectangle bounded by the lines x is equal to plus or minus a, y equal to 0, y is equal to b. Now, we have to find the line integration around the rectangle. First, draw the rectangle. X-axis, y-axis. Y is equal to 0 means x-axis. Y is equal to b means the line parallel to x-axis. X is equal to plus a, the line parallel to y-axis. X is equal to minus a, the line parallel to y-axis. Now, x is equal to a. X equal to minus a and y is equal to b. Say this is x is equal to a. This is x is equal to minus a. This is y equal to 0. This is y is equal to b. Therefore, say this is a, b, c, d. Therefore, direction of the integration anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, now here integral over c f bar dot dr bar line integration we have to evaluate to verify the Stokes theorem. We have to find line integration and surface integration. Now first we have to find the line integration. So to find integral over C f bar dot dr bar. Now f bar dot dr bar, integral over C f bar dot dr bar is equal to integral over AB f bar dot dr bar plus integral over BC f bar dot dr bar plus integral over CD f bar dot dr bar plus integral over dA f bar dot dr bar. Say this is equation number 1. Now to find the integration along AB. Now to find integration over AB f bar dot dr bar. Now equation of AB. Is x is equal to a. Then differentiating on both sides dx equal to 0. Therefore y varies from here, y varies from, this is a comma 0, this is a comma b. Here y varies from 0 to b, 0 to b. Therefore integral over AB f bar dot dr bar equal to integral f bar dot dr bar. Here x square, x value is a square, dx value is 0. Therefore minus 2a y dy, 2a y dy. Y varies from 0 to b. Therefore minus 2a into integration of y square by 2, limits 0 to b, 2 gets cancelled. Therefore upper limit b square minus lower limit 0. This is equal to minus a b square. Say this is equation number 2. This is integral over AB f bar dot dr bar equal to minus AB square. To find integration of f bar dot dr bar along BC. Therefore along BC, equation of BC. BC is y is equal to b. Then differentiating on both sides dy equal to 0 and x varies from x varies from, here this is the point minus a comma b, this is the direction of the integration. So here x varies from a to minus a to minus a to minus a. Therefore, integral over BC f bar dot dr bar is equal to x square plus y is equal to b square into dx minus 2x into b dy equal to 0. Therefore, it is a 0. Integral x square plus b square into dx minus 0. X varies from a to minus a. Therefore, this is equal to integration of x square x cube by 3 plus b square integration of 1 x limits a to minus a. Therefore, upper limit minus a cube minus lower limit a cube by 3 plus b square into upper limit minus a lower limit minus a, that is minus 2a cube by 3 minus 2a b square. This is integral over bc f bar dot dr bar. Say this is equation number 3. To find integration of f bar dot dr bar along CD. Now, equation of CD is x is equal to minus a, and this point is minus a comma y value 0, and y varies from b to 0. X is equal to minus a. Therefore, differentiating on both sides, dx is equal to 0. Y varies from b to 0. Now, integration over CD f bar dot dr bar is equal to minus a whole square a square plus y square dx value 0. Therefore, this becomes a 0 minus 2 into x minus a. So, plus 2a into y dy. Integral 2a into y dy. Y varies from b to 0. Therefore, 2a constant, integration of y square by 2 limits b to 0. Therefore, 2 to cancel. A into upper limit 0 minus b square. Therefore, minus ab square. Integration over CD f bar dot dr bar equal to minus ab square. Again, To find the line integration over dA of f bar dot dr bar. Now equation of dA is y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 and x varies from minus a to plus a. Y equal to 0. Then dy equal to 0. X varies from minus a to plus a. Therefore, integral over dA f bar dot dr bar equal to integral x square y value 0 into dx. Since y equal to 0, this becomes a 0. Therefore, here x square into dx. X square dx as y value 0. X varies from minus a to plus a. This is equal to x cube by 3 limits minus a to plus a. That is equal to upper limit a cube minus of minus plus a cube by 3. This is equal to 2a cube by 3. This is integral over dA f bar dot dr bar. Say this is equation number 5. Above one is equation number 4. Here you write equation number 4. Substituting 2, 3, 4 and 5 in equation 1. We get integral over c f bar dot dr bar equal to, now from equation number 2, that is minus ab square, from equation number 3 minus 2a cube by 3 minus 2ab square, equation number 4 minus ab square, from equation 5 2a cube by 3 minus 2a cube by 3 plus 2a cube by 3, that is equal to minus ab square minus 2ab square minus ab square, that is equal to minus 4 times a into b square. This is integral over c f bar dot dr bar. This is the value of line integration. Say this is equation number 6. Now to find the surface integration, integral over s curl f bar dot n cap ds. Therefore this is equal to, now curl F bar, we have to find curl F bar. Curl F bar is equal to del cross F bar, that is determinant of I bar, J bar, K bar, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, components of del. I bar component of del dou by dou x, J bar component of del dou by dou z, K bar component of del dou by dou z. Now components of F bar. I bar component of F bar x square plus y square, J bar component of F bar minus 2xy, K bar component is 0. X square plus y square minus 2xy and 0. This is equal to I bar into dou by dou y of 0 minus dou by dou z of, so 0 as x and y are constants, minus j bar into dou by dou x of 0 minus dou by dou z of, here also no z component as x and y are constant, this is also 0, plus k bar into dou by dou x of partial derivative with respect to x minus 2 constant, y constant, derivative of x is 1, dou by dou y of minus x square derivative 0 since x square is a constant, y square derivative is 2y, therefore this is equal to minus 4y k bar. This is curl F bar. Now here unit normal, vector n cap is equal to k cap, since z axis is the perpendicular to xy plane, therefore unit vector along z axis is n cap is equal to k cap, therefore curl F bar dot n cap is equal to minus 4y k bar dot k cap, that is equal to minus 4y, since k cap dot k cap is equal to 1, and ds is equal to dx dy by modulus of n cap dot k cap. Since n cap is k cap, in the denominator also we can take the combination of n cap dot k cap. Therefore, k cap is the unit vector along z axis. Therefore, the plane perpendicular to z axis is xy plane. Therefore, this is equal to dx dy by n cap dot k cap dot k cap, that is equal to dx dy, this is ds. Now we have to find the limits for x and y. This is the region of integration surface. Surface, now region of integration. To cover the region of integration, we are considering the vertical strip. PQ. Therefore, lower strip of the PQ, P lies on y equal to 0, upper strip of the strip PQ, vertical strip PQ lies on y equal to B, therefore y varies from 0 to B, and this strip PQ, vertical strip PQ slides from D to A as x varies from minus A to plus A. Here, consider the vertical strip PQ to cover the region of integration. As shown in the above diagram. Therefore, y varies from 0 to B and x varies from minus A to plus A. Therefore, surface integration of curl f bar dot n cap ds over s is equal to double integral curl f bar dot n cap, that is a minus 4y into dy dx. Y varies from 0 to b, x varies from minus a to plus a. Therefore, this is equal to minus 4 is a constant, integral x equal to minus a to a. So integration of y now y square by 2 limits 0 to b. Therefore, this is equal to minus 4 into now b square by 2 and integration of 1 with respect to x, that is x limits minus a to plus a. Therefore, here 2 ones, 2 twos. So after substituting the limits, here only 1 is there. Now integrating 1 with respect to x, we get x. Lower limit is minus a, upper limit is plus a. Therefore, upper limit minus lower limit, that is a minus of minus plus a, that is equal to minus here 2b square into 2a. Therefore, that is equal to 2 into 2, 4a into b square. This is integral over s curl f bar dot n cap ds. This is equal to minus 4 ab square. Say this is equation number 7. From equation number 6 and 7, we have line integration is equal to surface integration. Therefore, Stokes theorem is verified. From equations 6 and 7, we have integral over c f bar dot n cap equal to minus 4 ab square. Equation number 6 equal to integral over s curl f bar dot n cap ds. Therefore, Stokes theorem is verified. Therefore, Stokes' theorem is verified.